Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram feed not loading or refreshing. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Another step is clear Instagram cache. Simply go to your settings. Now navigate to apps, search for Instagram, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now from here, at the bottom left corner, tap on clear cache and the issue may be fixed. Another step is update Instagram. Go to Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you see any updates, simply update the app. After the update, try restarting your phone, as a simple restart can fix minor glitches. Another step is restart Instagram. Completely close the Instagram app and reopen it again and see if the issue is fixed or not. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.